Nasdaq 100, which has traded bullish so far since last multiple weeks, has finally given a breakout here after remaining consolidated for last couple of weeks. This week it is broken below, and in fact it has breached below the 12,000 levels, critical support level. So now what to expect is the reversal. Is it going to break from here, or can we expect a bounce back? Which position you should take in order to profit next week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for Nasdaq 100, one with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis, definitely you can benefit. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into candlestick charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Let's start. Now see, on the weekly charts, after giving lower highs and a flat bottom for last couple of weeks, this week we have seen a breakout, and in fact it has reversed the gains from last 3 weeks and still at a critical support junction at 11,900. Now we have to be careful at 11,800 levels, because below that it is going to look forward to 11,500 levels. So I will be definitely cautious of 11,800, which may provide a very good support. And also remember one fact, this is the first breakout candle after consolidating for a couple of weeks, and this also has a tail here. Possibly once you see it trading below 11,840 next week, you can sell and then expect that first target should be 11,600, then 11,500. Now 11,500, if we talk about, you can see multiple candles got the support here and the resistance also at the same time for when it was trading below these levels, and hence you have to be watchful of 11,500 on the downside. But should we consider this as a reversal for long term and it is going to break further on the downside, that we'll also try to analyze. Right now it appears the first breakout candle should have a second follow-up candle taking it little lower side. That is the first part. Now second part here, first we'll see that what is this retracement. Is this the retracement or the reversal? Let's have a look. Now if you retrace the complete movement from the highs here and the lows here for last couple of years, you can find it has always tried to bounce back to a Fibonacci level. See, after the drop it is bounced till towards the 76.4% level, and after this also it is bounced till towards 50%. Now it is tried to bounce till towards 38.2% of the retracement. Now this is the first bounce. Now it is trying to come back again, and hence 11,928, which is a long term Fibonacci. You can see the highs and lows for last couple of years. 11,920, 11,928, these levels you should watch out for. This is another level below which certainly little more bearishness can be confirmed, but this is long term. What about the near term movement which we have seen? Let's track that also. Now if you look at the near term lows and the near term highs, you can find out it is retraced till 38.2% of the levels at 11,955. Very good support level, because below that, as I said, once it stays below 11,840, we can expect 11,650, and below that we may see 11,500 and 400. Now two levels till 11,400 we have to be very watchful, because that should be 11,400 and 500 levels certainly be a very good support, not only in terms of Fibonacci but in terms of technicals. You can find those at a very good support. Now this is purely on the charts here. Let's have a look at the daily charts also. That was on the weekly charts. Here on the daily charts you can find sharp drop, consolidation drop, retracement, and then this breakout. And also remember, this is the first candle with a little tail on the downside, probably, which means because there is a space left on the downside, it can give you a further red candle in the beginning of the week. That is very much possible. Do not consider this for a buy till the time it stays below 12,200, which is a very good resistance. Now 12,200, 400, only and only if any point of time you see Tech 100 trading about 12,400, this could be a possible entry for you, where you can expect that it is reversed and we can buy here. Now also observe closely. See, if you look at the near term rise, it has created the step here at 11,800. Certainly we may see it getting the support at 11,800 levels, and then the next step at 11,600, 500. This is going to be important. In fact, till 11,400 levels it is to be considered. that it is still bullish. Possibly that should be a retracement 50% levels from the near term lows, and achieving the lows it can bounce back again. Now this is the second part to it. Yes, right now it is looking down. Possibility of 11,800 levels exist, and below that in fact we may see 11,600, 500, and then 11,370, 380 levels are possible if it continues to trade on the downside from here. Now also if you look at the historical movement in the near past, you can see that 10,400 the lows, and you can find that actually 10,700 levels it is tasted twice, but since then it has been trading in this expanding triangle. Expanding triangle certainly is a bullish indication with a flat bottom. Now flat bottom means it may try to attempt and achieve these level once, and if it breaks this, that will call for a collapse or disaster. I don't see it happening very soon, but yes, even I don't see it coming to this level, because see the slope here, the rise here, after rising till here it has come back to same levels. Now the rise here is too much. Possibly it can come back to a little higher levels before rising again on the upside. So till 11,400, 400 levels we have to be careful there. Now look at the monthly charts. Now see on the monthly charts, yes, there is a support here, multiple candles forming the bottom, forming the base here. This candle, in fact, in the beginning of the month, it did give a breakout. However, these levels at close to 12,900 provided a very strong resistance. I told you in the month beginning itself, 12,800, 13,000 levels. It has to break past by very strong resistance exists here. Now see, it has seen a drop, but this candle probably either you can see three candles having a closing at around same levels. And what are these levels? These are precisely 12,050 levels. So multiple candles giving the closing at same levels. This time again also, even if it tries to drop till towards 11,900 or 11,840 levels, it can possibly may bounce back till towards 12,050 towards the end of the month, because only two trading sessions are left. We can possibly expect it to close at around these levels. If not, yes, a pull on the downside may bring little more bearishness, and then the next weekly candle can also remain bearish. This candle will decide the direction. This weekly candle will decide the direction for the month of March. Probably I do not expect that also to be a red candle, because see, green, red, green, and a slighter red, then possibly second red. uh, I am skeptical about it, because see, we have seen this rise, and now possibly if it closes above this zone, dropping a little, we may see a reversal from there. Possibility exists for that, and I'll be looking for that. Initially, maybe couple of weeks, we may see a drop, but in the month of March, there could be a picking up. Let's see with the help of indicators, because the indicators will be in a better position to let know what can be expected in March. Now look at it is trading below the 20 period moving average, almost close to the 50 and 100 period moving average, which is trading at 11,800 and 11,600 levels. Certainly are going to be very good support. If you look at the, also this is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence a little support on the downside we may see. Directional movement trying to cross over for a sell, stochastic oversold trying to recover. The MACD on the daily charts is bearish, divergent, and probably a day or so we may see it trading bearish. You can see I have always told in my daily analysis that MACD is trading in this. Possibly it can try to achieve these levels before it tries to reverse. RSI is looking down, trying to trade a little bearish. And if you look at the weekly, on the weekly chart, the 20 period moving average has started to curve upside, and we are on the, possibly we may see a crossover soon and bring little bullishness, but let's wait a bit. Directional movement here is trying to, it is bullish and trying to converge. The stochastic, which was trading overbought, has seen a little drop with this red candle. RSI or MACD is in green, and see, it was trading with a divergence. Now it is looking forward to converge a bit, but it is not yet bearish, because see, there is lot much ground to be covered on the upside. It is trading at sub-zero levels. Yes, it may converge, but then possibly take a bullish route later after a couple of weeks. Possibility exists, because right now it is trading at sub-zero levels, which is still not a healthier sign. Possibly we may see lot much of scope there on the upside for Nasdaq 100 here in the near term. RSI looking down, indicating little weakness. Now look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly charts, very near to the 50 months average, that is at around 11,000 levels. And then if you look at directional movement is bearish, trying to converge a bit. Stochastic is at bottom, trying to recover a bit. It tried to recover, and that is what makes me susceptible that I don't see a red candle soon. It is trying to be in red, but if and only if it closes at 12050 levels on 28th of February, possibility exists that the next candle may try to bring it little down and then show a recovery later till towards 12,500 or 12,800 levels in the month of March. Now see why I'm saying so. It was already trading oversold. It has seen a little recovery. I don't see possibly it going back to these levels again. And if it does, then also there should be a stronger recovery in next couple of months. Now look at the MACD. This was trading with extreme bearishness. Finally, it started to converge on the monthly charts, and now we were looking forward to a crossover. And see, but interestingly, in last 10 years, Nasdaq 100 has consistently traded over zero levels, traded bullish so far, and after a long while only, we have seen this break on Nasdaq 100. Now it is looking forward to converge from here. Possibility exists that we may see it converging and crossing over for a buy entry. But right now it is not in a mood, but not giving any indication also that it may try to reverse. Let's be watchful as this monthly candle where it closes and the next month also. RSI is trading flat. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy such that you can profit. And before I proceed to the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is 11,970 it is closed. I will recommend you to buy at 12,050 levels, above which you can expect 12,100 and 12,200. Now only and only if it trades above 12200, we may see a little signs of reversal. Then you can expect 12350, 12400 the next resistance level. And only if it breaks beyond 12400, we can call it a reversal. For the whole last week, I have been telling these numbers. Now again, these numbers are going to come in picture. Beyond that, sky is the limit. 12600, 12800, 900 possible, but I don't see it going till towards those levels. There is more chance of it to continue with the downward move for a little while. Now on the downside, yes, you can sell here at 11,920, 10,880. Oh, sorry, 11,880. See, couple of levels I am going to tell you very nearby, 11,840 and 11,800. Now, if it stays below 11,800, 840 zone, consider that there could be next drop which might take it to 11,660 and 11,500 and then 11,380 levels. Now remember, till 11,380 it can possibly extend the drop, and from there a little recovery if it fails to sustain below levels. Yes, these levels are going to play a very strong support level. 11,500 very strong support, 11,380 the next strongest support. Now this zone should not be breached. Previously it was for me 12,000, that 12,000 should not be breached. Below that 11,800 is something next support, and then 11,400, 500 zone. So almost 300 400 points of gap. We have got a good support for Nasdaq 100, because now this is going to be certainly a good support which I will be looking forward to if it continues its journey on the downside. Right now breaking below 12,000, it has bring me if it has made me a little bearish, and specifically if it drops below 11,800, certainly it will make me further bearish. I'll be watchful of these few levels. Till the time, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.